understand the story. Right? The mornings, yeah. Check that out, Debo. Nice little break, nice retest right off EOD. Now I'm gonna get rid of pre-market over here on SPY, and now it looks like Q's is going right up into pre-market high. SPY, where you got a little battle.
Pre-market high and the open print are pretty much the same on Q's.
Yeah.
I mean, pretty much on both. They're very close.
Okay, so SPY's getting some selling here. And this is the most important part, is remaining objective. See, trading is 99% awareness. Okay, selling into EOD, selling into previous day low. I definitely got my eye on this level right here. This is definitely an important level for buyers. Q's getting a little more strength. But the story has
I actually like that pre-market level too.
Yeah.
39688.
That's what I would call like
from back yesterday. 39688.
Dude.
All right. We ripped through it on Q's.
Now, if I could get a clean,
nice buying.
If I could get a clean break and retest off this level, I'm definitely open for longs. Once again, I need to see healthy relationship between price and the 9, right? If we break above this retest, but the 9's all the way down here, I'm not taking it. You know what I mean? That's like imperative for me, because the amount of break and retest I take right at 935, and then the whole thing reverses. Each one is super extended from the 9.
Yeah, I mean, if price just rips without any retest, I don't really beat myself up. Like,
no.
The amount of times that there are a retest and the retest actually tells me conditions, I'm not worried, you know?
Okay. I
need a structure that's repeatable.
I do like this on SPY, 100%. This 46808 level, right? We're about 30 cents away from it, ripping into it. And I asked myself, does this make sense, right? Breaking off that, right? Look at this. I mean, we got at least a market imbalance all the way up to 398 on Qs. Considering we get
buyers pushing. 20 seconds to close this game. Wow. Q's is running.
This is what I like to see, though. Buyers are here.
Yeah.
Buyers are here. You know what I mean? This is exactly what we like to see. Bam. Look at that. It's a rip. Okay. Let me go back here. See what this looks like without pre-market.
Okay, 5 close.
All right, now look at the relationship on SPY, right, with the 9.
Holding way above it. Oh. Previous day high is a magnet for today.
Oh, absolutely.
Previous day high, and that little supply zone created yesterday.
Yeah.
I mean, anywhere from 399 to previous day high.
Okay, so here's seller's chance at 36808. Let's see. I want to see a pullback into this area on Qs. If we don't get it, we don't get it. It is what it is. Don't care. Like, it's that simple. What's this on the fib? The fib, look at that, Debo. 50% right on the fib. That's symbolizing strength.
Yeah, whenever we get a strong rip like this, like on the first candle, I do like using the fib.
And most importantly is you got to ask yourself, where will I be able to get in with low risk, right? If I were to take this trade long, I'm literally 50 cents away from my stop out. Can't do it.
I mean, some people might do it. It's more
scalping. Yeah.
More scalping, and I feel like capturing imbalance is a little bit different than scalping. Not entirely, but
right. Oh yeah, absolutely. Another thing right now is what I like to do is go visit the daily and be like, okay, what makes sense today?
Oh yeah.
This purple line right here makes sense for longs. I'm going to make it yellow.
Yesterday's candle is so bearish on Qs.
Dude, look at this rip out of the gate. Right off end of day. So, overall, what's this telling me? Right? It's telling me buyers are showing up today. They like end of day, which is a super large area, right? That's massive liquidity there, massive volume, right? They're showing up. Now, this plays a role for a couple different. Let's keep our eye on this pre-market level. See the relationship with the 9? Liking it. If we could come into it a little bit and we get some buying. Now that level's it's a dollar away. Wouldn't be a bad move. I don't see us ripping.
399.
Yeah, I don't see us ripping right through 398. I really don't, but then again, it can. All right, so here's that 368 over here on SPY.
Yeah, I had 468.18. I have it marked bullish above, just because we tested that level yesterday in the morning, and then yesterday afternoon, around 2 and 3, we bounced off it.
Yeah.
But I mean, we very well could close above that.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing.
I just really like pre-market high. I really like pre-market high for a little bit of a retest.
Absolutely.
I mean, if we don't get it, we don't get it.
Yeah, I'm definitely looking long if we get buyers right here. Gives me a great place to stomp out. You know what I mean? And
yeah, risk is too high right now.
Yeah,
at least for me.
Absolutely.
I still do love this imbalance to the upside. Okay.
See what that 2-minute looks like here. All right.
Okay, here we come to the 9.
Yeah, let's see how we react here. I'm pulling up my options, contracts on my phone. Let's see. Once again, this is why the retest is paramount, right? You need a solid retest. Otherwise, the trade is invalid. I would love an OP retest as well.
Ooh, here we go. Yeah. Here we go. Wow.
Bam!
I want to take
retesting.
Market high.
You like this on Qs?
I really love this. I love this on Qs, pre-market high.
All right.
I'm just gonna wait a second.
Yeah. I'm not.
Formulate.
Yeah.
I love this.
I'm not quite there yet. And I'm watching OP as well on SPY.
Yep.
See, I'm not really. All right, let's see if they can defend OP.
But
Yep.
I went through pre-market high.
It just rejected pre-market guy.
Pre-market high.
Yeah. Now
Fuse is still holding.
Now we're.
I want to see these sellers soaked up.
Yeah, I think I like SPY.
I like that. I'm in that on Qs.
Okay.
I'm in that long stop below pre-market high.
Okay.
Tight stop here.
I'm waiting just a little bit on SPY right here.
Yeah, we got 3 minute. Yeah, we got 3 minute on the 3 minutes till close on the 5.
Are you in SPY or Qs, Debo?
Qs.
Yeah, that's a good setup. I'm hopping in.
The way this 5 minute closes is going to tell me a lot.
Yeah.
Got 3 minutes left.
That's
5 to close.
That's a good setup right there on Qs for sure. I want to see over here on SPY. I want to see buyers suck in right now. This is what I'm waiting for my entry. Yep. I want to see buyers suck in right now.
Yeah, we need. Yeah.
I need to see that acceptance. Bam. That's it. Hopping in SPY.
All right.
Oh.
I mean, incredibly close to open print. But
hold on. Yeah, it's right there. Oh, I gotta ask myself, right? What does it look like? Yes. Bam, there it is. It's battling that level right there. But I definitely am bullish on it. So that's a long from me. And my stop is going to be, let's see here. I like using the 9 right here.
Okay, minute and a half to close on the 5 minute. This last minute tells us everything.
Absolutely.
Last minute on the 5.
Well, and you got to ask yourself, right? Did I see strength? Did I see structure? Who defended open print, right? I mean, regardless of what happens at this point is, listen, buyers off the rip-off end of day, right? We got a bullish scenario. You seen your edge, you take it. That's all we could do. See acceptance. And now I'm watching the 9-day EMA, right? I got my stop in. I bought my contracts for 103. So now I'm going to put my stop in.
Seconds. Okay, 5 closed. Kind of closed, but even both ways. We're still below that 4, 6, 8, 18 on the SPY. But I mean, they both wick down into pre-market high, which I do like to see. See what we get here.
Now, this is where larger time frames come into play, right? What are we seeing? What do I want to see, right? What makes sense for, pullback? What makes sense for, strength? Take that pre-market data off. Look at that boost. Look at that boost.
Okay. All
right. So I got my eye.
468.18.
I got my eye on 468.50 on SPY, which we just actually ripped right into. So now you got to continue to ask yourself, if we get above this, then what? Then I'm targeting 469.02. Then I'm targeting 469.50, right?
I want to see us clear high of day. That candle, that wick that we made to 468.44 and also Qs.
Yeah.
I want to see us clear that that current high of day.
Now, and biggest thing here is I'm watching the relationship between price and the 9, right? Once this relationship gets funky, I scale out, I take profit, etc. Right? I mean, but I like seeing this strength. And we got structure right here at 468 on SPY, right? Qs we got structure at 39688. So my stop is literally going to be
I want to see sustained volume too. It seems to be trailing off a little bit, but it's pretty early.
Mm-hmm.
This is very early. I mean, it's before 10, but you know,
could definitely see a slight pullback here.
I haven't got a ton of green volume yet, but
well, and that's what acceptance looks like. It's like we don't need a lot of volume to be moving forward, right? What happens when volume does show up? You know what I'm saying? Then it's like, okay, you know.
Ideally, you want to be in before the volume shows.
Yeah. I mean, look at that move though on the 1 hour. If we could hold above 4 on SPY, I got 468.19. So my stop's probably going to be right around 46. It's going to be pre-market high, right? Right below it, which is 468.
Yep.
I'm sorry, 467.90. Right? That'll be my stop. It's right around where we got in, right? So once again, not putting myself in a position that I'm going to lose mega amounts of money, right? It's trading the process. It's a morning trade.
All right, 1 minute to close on the next 5. Still have not broken high of day on either.
It does make sense for, you know, I mean, this is what we do. We see our edge, we act. That's it. Once again.
And accept the risk. 100%.
Yeah.
My stop's also pre-market high on
yeah.
Qs.
I really like the relationship with 9-day EMA and price. Once again, considering this 5, I mean, look at that off open print. You have to take that. Look at that on SPY and Qs. It's beautiful. That's yeah. If I don't take that, you know, I'm literally just gonna watch my edge just unravel. You know what I mean? And like I have to take that. That's my key.
Okay.
There we go.
Close bullish.
Did.
I like that.
What?
And I like that strength around that 468.18 level.
Absolutely. I'm about 18%. I mean, I'm even open if we get a nice enough retest off pre-market high. I'm open to add. Do we have
Still watch on the 5.
Do we have any news today?
Yeah. Yeah, I sent something to.
Let me see, today, Friday, at 10 o'clock.
I think I sent something in Trader Chat.
10 o'clock, so.
ISM services, factory orders at 10.
Make sure everybody.
Those unemployment stuff.
Yeah.
Those unemployment stuff at 8:30 today.
So if we are in that trade, hard stops will be implemented.
All right, SPY just put in a new high of day. Let's see how that can hold.
I'm really liking the strength. I'm liking the 4 hour. I'm liking the 1 hour. We're getting pushed. So I'm open to some sort of profit taking up at 469. Or if structure breaks, right? So once again, this is definitely a pretty critical level right here, 468 to 50. Looks like we're right around the 9 here. This is either, this is the make or break, right? Like, it is what it is, right? We're either going to hold it or we're going to reject. We cannot control this, right? It's like, only thing I can control is how I enter a position, how I exit.
I want to see continued buying here as we clear high of day. It's an early move.
Yeah.
It's an early move. I want to see continued volume.
So this is where the 9 is going to be your best friend, right? When it comes to when do I take profits? When do I get out of the trade? Do I get out of the trade? What is the market telling me? Watch the relationship. See, this is how I counteract fear, right? I'm in a trade. I'm up around 20%. Do I just want to book it, right? No. I'm watching the 9. I'm watching the relationship. I'm watching the structure, right? I'm watching price battle this level and push through it. Buyers are showing up. They're showing strength, right? Listen, I'm in the trade. It's that simple, right? I'm completely calm. That's why that word equanimous, right? I'm just in the moment, right? We start to become over analytical, and and things get out of hand, right? We put so much pressure on ourselves. I mean, this is a bulletproof setup off open print. Gotta take it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is.
I like this. High of day is holding.
It does make sense right now.
Oh, 20 seconds till the 5 closes.
I really like holding above 468. But once again, if 468 breaks, I'm going to start questioning short plays. Yep. Looks like we closed right on the 9 there.
Still above 468.18.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
Yeah.
Q's Q's just retested a high of day. We still have yet to actually make like a proper higher high.
All right, so 468. is our critical.
Okay, coming down for a retest of 468. Let's see what happens.
And just like our entry, right here, I'm going, what do I need to see to stay in the trade? What do I need to see to get out of the trade?
Remember, if your trade goes into drawdown, tell yourself that is the price you have to pay to see if the market is going to trend in your direction. It's
exactly.
part of the plan.
Yeah.
It's part of the plan. That is the risk that you accept every time you put on a trade.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
SPY is 468.18. What does this look like on the 30 or the 15?
Yeah, I got my eye right there on pre-market high. That's definitely, or what is that? Yesterday's highs.
Haven't moved my stop. Still pre-market high.
Ooh, there it goes. Let's see how price reacts here.
Okay. Didn't really hold high of day, but I mean, it's pretty early.
Yeah.
2 minutes till this news. 2 minutes to this news. Hard stops are in. Pretty bearish candle on Qs. Okay. Wow. A little over 1 minute to close this 5.
Everybody just make sure if you are in this trade, make sure your hard stops are in, especially with news coming up. This is the moment of the candle that I live for. This moment, the last minute. This tells me everything. And
pushing lower. I love it. I love it. 20 seconds.
I got my hand on the take profit button as well. If news goes our way, I'm just focused on, because news tends to spike considering what commodity you're trading as well. You know, I mean, you're trading SPX with news. You got to be ready.
Oh wow. Oh wow. I just ripped.
Okay.
Okay. Can it hold?
I'm watching the 9-day EMA. Let's go. Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Oh, she ripping.
Dude, all right. This is a.
Oh my.
Yo. Money shot.
Just absolutely owned that 468.18.
Oh.
Here we go.
Oh.
Here we go.
Oh. That right there is a trim. Bam. Let me trim there. Okay. Then I'll leave the rest of my trade. Money shot. Money shot.
Nice. I like that. Let's see if these buyers are here.
So now,
see if these buyers are for real.
So now we're in a stress-free trade. Now we just wait, let it happen, and let the market do its thing. Wow.
Oh my! Owning that force.
Great.
18, critical.
And now listen, what happens next? Once again, it's not up to us. We can't control it. Only thing we can control is ourselves. What did we do today? We traded off open print. We traded the 9-day EMA. We traded structure. We traded our plan. We still are, right? So for everybody that hopped in that, you did exactly what you were supposed to do. Fucking love it.
I mean, my stop. Oh my.
Yeah, this thing's gonna keep soaring.
Oh my god.
There we go. We're getting good feedback from the team. Let's get it. I love all of you.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is what we do, guys. Listen, man. Listen. This is it. Watch the 9, dude. And did you guys notice that healthy relationship with the 9? Oh man, I love it. This thing's soaring.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Look at this. We're fucking soaring. What a beautiful day.
I'm trimming.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. Once again, we played the bullish and bearish scenario. This is it. Now, this is what makes the trader, though. Are you able to sit back, even up profit, right? Are you able to understand the story, right? This is what counts the most. Holy shit.
Oh, my God.
Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go, baby. Dude, this is disgusting.
Yo.
This is disgusting. Yeah. All right. Calm down, Jay. Okay, we're going to do another trim. Nah, we ain't trimming shit. We're letting this play out. Let's see here. Money shot.
Love it.
See,
love it.
This is the business we're in, guys. We are in the business of becoming the best versions of ourselves. See, when trading is literally a magnifying glass of your emotions, your behavior, your character, and how well you can implement your rules, right? What did we do today? We entered with faith through fear. We identified an entry, right? We identified buyers taking control of a critical level. Did we know this was going to happen right here? Absolutely not. I was seconds away of stopping out, but I didn't. You know what I'm saying? That's what makes the trader. Being able to remain objective, entering the trade when you trust it. Look at that. We got to do these lives more often. We're going to be doing these every single Friday. Watch the 9. We're getting extended. What do I need to see? So now I have to be open to a pullback all the way to 469. That's 50 cents away. So that's a trim, right? You know what I mean? This is, well, I'm going to wait for the candle to close, but you got to be,
8 seconds here till the candle closes.
Oh, we're in this, dude. I'm about to add. Not right here, but if I can get a pullback into this level, I'm adding. Realistically, Debo. Oh wait, let's keep our
previous day high is a great mag.
Well, let's keep our eye on this pullback. Q's is approaching that critical yellow line I have. Look at that on Q's, Darren.
Yeah.
Dude, we get above that, we're soaring today. And now the law of polarity states what goes up can also come down. So if you guys miss this move, don't sweat it. There's always going to be another setup. What would we not do today? We did not chase. What did we not do today? We did not just jump in off the gate. Instead, we approached it with a systematic process. This is what we do every single day. Does it always work this beautifully? Absolutely not, right? But when it does, we fucking crush it, right? And not only that, we have a system that's repeatable. It's a repeatable process, right? You simplify trading. Did we go heavy into analysis this morning? No. I mean, a little bit. We became aware, right? But at the same time, did we kill ourselves over analysis? No. Did we kill ourselves over the, right now, are we looking at 100 different indicators? No, we're letting the market unfold, baby. This thing's cooking. This thing is cooking.
Still putting in highs.
Oh my God. All right. I got to get in flow. I'm looking for a re-entry.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Yo, Darren, dude, great analysis, bro. This is exactly what we do. We have to watch that level on Qs, though. That's a critical level. Daily time frame.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah.
If I was in Qs,
I don't know if I want to hold. I don't know if I want to hold my whole position down to 39755.
Well,
I'm still on half of it, but
you have to
see how it plays out.
Yeah.
If it close below the 9, maybe.
Yeah, exactly. Well, this is where the 9 becomes your best friend. This is where you learn to add to trades. This is where you learn to scale out of trades, right? It's like, what does the rule?
And I have no problem about re-entering too.
That's what I'm saying.
No problem to re-enter.
Exactly. I'm gonna hold this until that 9 breaks. I'm looking for either a re-entry. Notice we're not even looking at what news said. Because when I look at news, I immediately become biased, right? It doesn't matter what the news says. I'm not looking at it. It's just not. It's not valid.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yo. Yo. I'm watching Qs. Qs is at 399. This is paramount right here. What happens at 399 is paramount.
Yeah. Yeah, we got 1.5 minutes to close on the 5.
Fucking money shot, man. Fucking
money really shot. Consider taking this.
Yeah, if I was
and then being open to a retest.
Yeah.
Being open to re-entering on a retest.
Absolutely. You have to ask yourself, right now, you on Qs, you're 50 cents away from the 9. You're extended. You know what I mean? It's a matter of, it's strategy. Scaling out is strategy. Once again, just because I scaled out first up at like 50 cents away. I'm not mad about that. That's strategy, baby. That's locking in wins. That's paying my rent. That's the process. You know what I mean? That's the process. Remaining objective. We still got another $1 from previous day high, so I am open to seeing strength, some sort of retest to a re-enter on adding to my position. Now let's look at the bigger picture. There's obviously buying.
Good point. Zoom out.
Looks like.
I mean, how we reject this area on Qs and especially SPY is going to be critical.
Yeah, it's paramount. Oh, that's lovely.
I mean, we could still.
Yeah, dude.
A fib retracement is still totally. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god.
Dude, God, the universe is with us on this Discord right now. I mean, dude, look at this. First day live trading, lock in over 200%. This is insane. Almost a $2.5 move off SPY in Qs. Unbelievable. Everyone, I hope everybody got some of this, dude. Guys, listen. This is fucking insane. All right, so my eyes on the 9. If we could even, I don't like this being extended. All right, so see how the 9 sucked right up on Qs? That is definitely your best friend right now. Definitely.
I have no problem re-entering this if this comes down.
Yeah, I'm taking this.
I'm looking to take this pretty soon. Bam, took it.
Good. Money shot. Watching structure on the 2-minute. Amazing trade, Darren. Amazing trade.
Oh my God, I love that.
Yeah,
I love that.
Just filled with conviction. Just, complete faith in the strategy, in the process, bro. Look at that. Fucking beautiful.
I had a red zone starting at 39886, and it wasn't even really, from a really concrete area.
Look at this.
But we ripped right into
we
it.
Literally,
our first red
we
candle.
took the market long right here.
Oh, that pre-market high retest.
Look at, dude. Watching structure. I'm honestly open to. Yeah, it's still there. Buyers are still here.
It's hard for me to know where I would draw the fib retracement.
At this point, I want it. I mean, everyone's different. But at this point, I don't like. I don't. Well, it's not even that I don't use them. I just at this point right here in the day, only thing I want to focus on is the 9 DEMA and structure. Right. Look at that 2-minute structure. There was, still not quite ready to get out of the trade. 2-minute structure's holding.
I haven't even looked at the 2-minute. I'm just on the side.
But that's good. You know what I mean? Like,
it helps me, dude.
Yeah.
It helps me stay calm.
Dude,
it helps me stay calm, and I mean,
completely
increases the emotion.
Completely calm with a $2.50 move. Fucking stud. Okay, that's it.
Love it, dude. Love it.
Out.
Love it.
Okay.
Phenomenal.
What else? It's 10:13. I figured we're gonna go till at least 10:30. Let's talk about that trade, guys. What did we do? Right? We literally identified critical level, open print, structure off of it, in the 9-day EMA. We took her long, right? Notice what we did. We literally we took the market long with a supply zone in front of us. There was a supply literally at 46850, supply zone or resistance. Did we talk ourselves out of the entry? No. Did we, say, oh, I'm going to wait and see what else happens? No. We seen our edge and fucking acted. You know what I mean? Open print retest. Took it. Darren literally was watching it 5 minutes. Oh, this is while it was red. I was still open to shorts. Darren's like, no, this is my shit. And I'm like, yep, he's 100% right. And you got to ask yourself, what did end of day, what did previous day low tell you? Right? I mean, did we see strength off these levels? Yes. These levels hold the volume. Where the volume lies, is the story.
And
fucking amazing.
All retests look different.
Yeah, always.
All pullbacks
yes.
are completely different. Sometimes they're going to be perfectly symmetrical. There's going to be even amount on the left and even amount on the right, and it's going to be like a perfect symmetrical little S curve for a retest.
Right.
And sometimes they were like today, where we just, it just was unique. Every single day is unique. But you have to ask yourself, did we see appropriate price action to tell us that we needed to act quickly? And I think we did.
Absolutely.
We bounced off a critical level from that interest rate decision way back in December. And the buying that we saw in pre-market, I mean, starting at 8:30, ever since that unemployment news and that initial rip defending open print is everything that told me that conditions were more bullish than just
Yes. And now exactly. And the more important thing to talk about here is we did not overcomplicate it. Right? We did not overcomplicate it. We kept it simple. Yes. Was it a blueprint trade? Absolutely. Are all trades going to be that way? Absolutely not. But I'm not even worried about that. Only thing I'm focused on is what happened at end of day, what happened at PDL, what happened at open print. What's my bullish scenario? Let's go. That's it.
Yep.
Phenomenal, guys. Really good. I
love that it wasn't like a textbook. I mean, in a way, it was textbook because it's pre-market high.
It was because we made it that way. We made it textbook.
Yeah.
We made it clear, simple, right? I got my eye on this retest here on Qs at 39796. But
39796.
You know what I mean, Debo? We kept it super textbook, and acted on it, man. That's it. Really proud of that trade.
Yep.
I'm really proud of that trade. Our ability to stay in was paramount. We remained calm the whole time, right? It was simple. We had our stops in.
To be honest, I don't enter that early.
Never.
Too often.
Neither do I.
I mean, that was the third 5-minute candle of the day. I don't often do that, but
considering
every trade is different. Every single one is different.
Yeah, considering what end of our open print told us. Like, a lot of people ask me, what do you look for in an entry? And just like you said earlier, everyone's different. I wish I could tell you I'm looking for a green candle on the 2-minute. I wish I could tell you I'm looking for it's not that simple. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Does the market imbalance to the upside make sense right now based on the relationship with the 9? That was my biggest entry. My biggest factor for entry was the 9. I mean, look at the healthy relationship. If we were extended right here, I wouldn't have took it. There's no way. But we weren't. In that last 2 minutes of the candle told me everything. So in reality, I entered like right around 4, 6, 7, 8, like 90. That's 40 cents away from OP. But still, I was willing to, considering the upside, and considering what market conditions were telling me. My biggest thing was, without pre-market data, you have to ask yourself.
Yeah, that told me a lot.
Check this out.
That told me a lot.
Holding above 468 was critical. It was critical. And once we got above it, remember, I was like, that's going to be my stop out, right? Right below 4. It was 467.90.
Yep.
And then this thing just started to take off.
That is the area where sellers would come in.
Yes. Yes.
That's the area where sellers would come in.
Yes.
And they didn't really. And look what happened then. It means the
now check this out for a re-entry on longs, right? What do I need to see?
Oh. From yesterday?
Yeah. What do I need to see off this level for a move back up to PDH? You know what I mean? And now I let the market unravel, right? I'm not going to go long because a couple buyers came in. No, I sit back. I'm patient. I wait for another healthy relationship with the 9, coupled with structure, coupled with the level, and I go long. So
it's crazy that we were extended from the 9 like that, and it caused a little pullback.
Yes.
It wasn't really near.
Exactly.
Really near previous day high.
Yeah.
We just did a reversal out of nowhere in a way, but because of that 9.
Darren,
it's not because of the 9.
Well,
I guess
yeah.
the 9 helped us see that.
Well, how many times did we go long in a scenario like this, right? Like, say you went long right here because we closed above this level, which a lot of traders on IG do, right? Oh, we closed above this level, let's long the market. Like, that doesn't make sense to me because we're so extended from the 9. Another beautiful reason to take profit, super extended from the 9, right? Like, once again, now it's touching the 9. What does a healthy relationship look like, right? If this is going to go up to PDH, what sort of price action do I need to see? Just close below it.
Yep.
Now I need to see us get back above the 9 with structure and a good place to stop. Otherwise, I'm going to sit back and wait for a possible short play. So, really good, guys. Really good. Listen, I'm going to wrap this up because I'm videotaping it. I want to post it for everybody. I hope everybody was able to capture that trade. Listen, this is exactly what we're trying to do.
Phenomenal.
Yeah, this is exactly what we're trying to do, guys. Like, everybody a part of this team. Right now we're small, but I am planning to make this the best Discord out. And once again, this isn't an alert Discord. This is a learn to fish Discord, right? Any questions, you talk to me, you talk to Darren. I am literally here to do anything for you guys, right? And I'm not saying I'm this $1 million amazing trader, right? But I promise you I'm going to be. And not only that, we're just going to keep breaking this down, putting in the work, becoming the best version of ourselves, and crushing the market. Like that's just the goal. So I'm really proud and happy everybody showed up. Once again, if anybody has any questions, get a hold of me. I'm going to post this. I'm going to create our own little channel, and I will see you guys later. All right. And webinar tomorrow on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern. So
let's get it. And we'll be calling out conditions and
yeah.
the rest of the day.
Yeah, absolutely. We're just getting started.
Yeah. All right. I'll catch you guys tomorrow then.
All right, Devo.